Today we're going to start with our sight words, and these are the words we just have to know by kind of practicing them. Let's try the word people. People. There were so many people at the fair. People. It should look like this. You probably could figure out the P and the pull part. It's this really strange O that throws people off. A lot of people forget the O in people. So don't forget that sneaky O. People. Let's try the word walked. Walked. I walked my dog after school. Walked. Walked. It should look like this. Walk. And I bet you've got this part. But there's a sneaky L in here. We don't say walked, but that's the way we spell it. There's this sneaky L. Walked. Walked. All right, let's try the word ocean. Ocean. We visited the ocean, but it was too cold to swim. Ocean. Ocean. It should look like this. In this word, we definitely start with an O, and we definitely end with an N. What's tricky is the part in between. Usually, SH makes a sh sound, but not in this word. In this word, it's a C-E-A. Ocean. And our A actually makes an I sound to say ocean. So that's why this is a sight word. It is not spelled the way it sounds at all. Ocean. All right, let's try the word porch. Porch. We sat on our front porch and waited for trick-or-treaters. Porch. Porch. It should look like this. We definitely have that p sound in the beginning and the ch sound at the end. In between, we have the word or, porch. This one is not so tricky because it sounds very similar to the way it is spelled, porch. Great job. That takes care of our sight words. Let's try the words that have a O, another letter, and then an E in them, an O blank E, like the word protect. Protect. I promised my sister I would protect her from the boogeyman. Protect. We say it protect, but it's spelled protect. Protect. And it should look like this. We have per, o, tect. Protect. And we know that we have a magic E that sometimes jumps over vowels, taps on, or jumps over consonants, taps on the vowel and says, say your name, and the O says O in protect. Protect. We have that same thing happen in our next word, compose. Compose. To compose something means to write it, like you could compose your own song in music. Compose. It should look like this. We have a soft C in the beginning. Compose. Compose. And our O blank E part of the word actually comes with this O. R-O-S-E. This is a magic E that jumps over the S, taps on the O, says say your name, and the O says O in compose. This one kind of says an sound, like an umbrella. Compose. All right, that takes care of our O blank E words. Let's try some OA words. And in an OA word, our OA words follow that rule of when the first vowel that goes walking does the talking. So we hear the O first, like in the word toaster. Toaster. We put my bread in the toaster. Toaster. It should look like this. O, ster, toaster. We don't really hear this A because the O is taking control of the word. We hear that O first in toaster. Toaster. All right, let's try the word protect. Oh, sorry, we did that one already. Approach. Approach. I wanted to slowly approach the tank so I wouldn't scare Steve. Approach. That means to come closer, near to something. Approach. This one sounds like it should start with an sound, but it does not. It actually starts with the letter A. Roach. Approach. I think if you are remembering that OA pattern, that this part of the word is going to be easy for you. It's this beginning that is tricky because it doesn't sound like it says app in it. Approach. It says approach. So we have to be careful of that A. It's a little sneaky. All right, I think that's all we have for this video. If you are studying at home on your own, you made your teacher very happy.